What's going on, guys? It's Elias. Welcome back to another video. So today is part 2 of me taking apart the Type R. You guys saw in part 1 I took off a whole bunch of stuff sitting on the ground currently. So I took off, what I did was I the support up here, the intake box, I took off a whole bunch of clips and things like that, got the bumper off, obviously. That's the first thing you do before you do anything, or at least the things that I'm going to be doing to the car. And next up, I'm going to be taking off this pipe right here. I'm going to be taking off this whole area thing here, and we're going to just start getting things ready to actually install the parts that are almost here. So like I said, this is part 2 of my install and build series. So if you like these type of things, please make sure to subscribe, guys. A shocking number of you do not subscribe, and you do watch the videos. I get the metrics there. About 95% of you guys that watch the videos don't subscribe. Really helps me out when you do that. I really appreciate it. Hit that like button if you do like it. Hit the dislike if you don't like it. There's a couple of you that automatically do that anyway, so I appreciate any interaction that you guys give me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Hope you guys enjoy. This is going to be one of those videos where I'm not going to talk too much. You're just going to watch me work as I remove some of the things that we got to do to get this car race ready. Alright, so these 2 bolts are a big pain in the butt to get to. My hands are going to hurt tomorrow because the air conditioning pipes are in the way. I came this close to removing air conditioning, but I'm going to keep it on. I want to be able to drive this car, even though it's a race car, but I want to be able to drive it on the street and be comfortable, and that's air conditioning. Also, when it fogs up during a race, best way to unfog it, with the air conditioning. So, as frustrating as it has been, I'll leave it on. I will leave it on. Alright. So, the last final thing is just to take this pipe off carefully. From part 1, if you remember, this thing was not made to come off. That's okay. We will figure that out. It should say the power of dreams, not Earth dreams. Come on.